Dude, that thing is so bad right now. Like everybody, I'm like so happy that I should like. I'm really happy that I haven't gotten it yet because
Oh
normally I
yeah.
get everything.
Yeah,
But
just the other day I was like, I haven't been sick in a while. And then I got sick. Like, remember last Thursday? I was like, I don't feel that good. I just took
yeah,
NyQuil. Yeah, that like I've had it since then.
that's crazy.
You
Dude,
know,
that
and
really
I feel like it turned into bronchitis, so
is it like can you feel it in your lungs?
yeah. Like I haven't slept for like a week because I just can't stop coughing and stuff. But
That really stinks. You should take some melatonin. Uh,
what's that? I don't think I've heard of that.
okay, so this is what it looks like. I like keep it on my bed.
Okay.
It's a natural body relaxer. I take 2 of them because there's sometimes I can't sleep. Like it's hard, like working nights and stuff, and everything's going on during the day. I'll take 2 of these, and within like 20 minutes, I don't even know what happens to me. Like I just die.
No
And
way. I'm gonna have to take some.
yeah, like I take 2 of them, and it's seriously like I don't even know what happens to me. I will be like yesterday. I was watching TV, and next thing I knew, it was 9 p.m. and I fell asleep at like 2:30, I think. And it was 9 p.m. when I was like, what the heck happened to me?
Yeah.
But
Oh,
you should look into that. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it any place. It's
oh
like
yeah.
not a
I
big deal.
definitely will.
Send someone to go do some service for you. All right, let's start this bad boy.
Is anybody else coming? Do you know?
I have no idea. No, I sent that email out. I was like, you guys send me your
Yeah.
stuff. Nobody replied. I was like, oh. Here's Teresa. Maybe. Free? Holy crap. Hey, Teresa.
Hello. How are you feeling, Grayson?
I'm still a little sick, but
I wouldn't even go with a little bit. You're sick. Okay.
yeah, I had to miss work all week, so. But I like physically couldn't go. Like I'm so sick, so.
I would do anything to get sick just so I don't have to go to work.
Well, up to the point of I'm so sick I want to go to work.
Listen, I would get to lay in bed all day and I could watch whatever I wanted to. I would do what I call Netflix and Mormon chill because I recently found out that Netflix and chill is not actually Netflix and chill.
Yeah.
So I call it Netflix and Mormon chill. I would get to Netflix and Mormon chill all day long. So
My 12-year-old told me the real meaning of Netflix. I'm like, what?
yeah, I was using Netflix and chill for everything, and then finally one of my friends is all, Katie, let me tell you what that means. I was like, what the heck? And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so like I live in this bubble, this Mormon bubble. No matter what I do in my life, like it's this Mormon bubble.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this is horrible.
Yes.
So yeah, you can Netflix and Mormon chill. All right, let's get started on this business. Let me know when everyone has it open.
It's open here.
Okay. So, question 3: the symbol for true population proportion isn't it the first one?
I think it's the last one.
I got the last one too.
I wasn't sure what the difference was. So what is the one that P is called point estimate of P? So the sample proportion P is at 1 point. Oh, the proportion P. Yeah, you're right. It's the last one.
Yeah.
What number are you guys on?
Oh, here, Stephanie. We're on number 3.
Oh, okay.
So it's the last one.
Yeah, I got the last one.
I mean, I look great, so.
I'm glad you guys can't pass anything through the computers because you get a lot of like coughing and.
I try not to cough, but then it will get worse. So I'm sorry, I will be coughing.
Okay, for questions 4 and 5, suppose n equals 100, p equals 0.25, and the point estimate is 0.10. The requirements for constructing a confidence interval is satisfied. True or false?
I just did the number 4 and 5. I got false.
We have to do that. Is it the long? Is it that one right there? Sorry.
No, it's NP hat equal or greater to 10. That's for the first one, for the confidence interval. And N times 1 minus P hat. That's what I got. And I found it in the videos, the structure video. And for the number 5, the requirements are N times P greater equal, what, how do you say that, equal or greater or something like that, to 10, and N is times N times 1 minus P. And I got false in both of them. If you want to try it.
I'll believe you. A study
For conducting a hypothesis test.
Say it again.
What are the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test?
Is this what I found is the same, but instead of P hat, it's just P.
Hold on.
If you go to the summary of this lesson, I think it's in there too. Oh no, I'm wrong. It says the requirements for a. Oh, man.
The requirements for a confidence interval are that NP, the little hat thing, equal to or greater to 10 or less than 10.
I
and
see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. The thing is that I printed the PDF manual, and it's different than the online thing. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to follow the online one. So I got false on both of them.
Okay.
And true on both of them.
You got false too?
Yeah.
True. Wait. So you got 4 and 5. You got false, Stephanie?
No, I got true for both.
Which formula did you use for the number 4?
I used N times the P with the little hat is greater than or equal to 10.
Okay.
And then N times
So the same
1
one.
minus. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Number 6. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for the first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Use this information for questions 6 through 8. Find the P with a little hat. Any estimate of the proportion of first-degree murder defendants who are found guilty in the state. Okay. They're all guilty. No one's innocent. And Buren. He's cute. My boyfriend just asked, where can I get a hooker? I'm not going to ask.
So P is X divided by N, right?
Yeah, I got 0.75. Isn't it 45 divided by 60?
Oh, time out. What formula? Where's the free camera?
X.
Oh,
Yeah.
is this that N equals the in parentheses? I don't know. I'm lost. Someone help me.
45 divided by.
It's
You're
the
right.
P with the little hat equals X divided by N.
Oh.
So it will be 0.750.
That's what I got.
Alright, hold on. P with the little X is 45, right?
Yeah.
.75, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Create a 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of first-degree murder trials in the state. Where the state there, the verdict is guilty.
Do we use Excel instead of the formula? Can we do that?
Oh, probably. I don't know.
95% confidence interval. They gave us the stuff how to do this.
Let me see. 45.
So it would be.
For a 95% confidence interval, is it 1.96 or whatever?
1.96, yeah.
Yeah.
Which formula are we using?
I'm using the. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, no, you can
Is
go
it the P minus the Z square root of P parentheses 1 minus P? Is that the one?
That's what I'm using. That's the one.
So,
Okay.
I'll just experience this one. Right here.
Hold on.
I'll leave it up.
Yeah, that one. What was N? The sample size? It was 60
It was 60.
60 people?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you get?
Oh, I haven't gotten it yet.
I haven't finished it. I got a lower of 640 and a upper of 860.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I need to do this one more time. I keep doing something.
I mean, 0.640 and 0.860.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Got that too.
So the second option?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hold on. All right. If you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width of the confidence interval?
If you increase.
Okay, I have this. If we increase the sample size, I have as confidence increases, interval increases. As sample size increases, interval decreases.
So the interval decreases. Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Let me open the door, sorry.
Conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion. Who has people coming over at 12:30 in the afternoon? To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose p equals 1/2. What is the smallest n can be, and both requirements still be met?
Okay.
What formula?
Sorry.
N times P greater than or equal to 10. And N times 1 minus P is also greater than or equal to 10.
Are we number 9? Sorry.
10.
10? What do you got for number 9?
I'm
No.
sorry, 9. I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, 9. 20.
Yeah, it would have to be 20 because it's half.
Uh-huh. And then if 20 was the sample size, okay. Yeah. That works for both.
20?
Mm-hmm.
It's for number 10?
9.
Number 9.
9?
Number 9. Yeah.
And this one I think has to be 100.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's part of the 10, so yeah, it would have to. Questions 11 through 16 use the following information. For the water quality study, in the reading, about 60% of the macro invertebrate water quality indicators have historically been associated with good health. The researchers suspect that the water quality in the area has decreased. They conduct a hypothesis test using significance levels 0.05 with the following hypothesis. Those things. They collect new data, and this time n equals 80 and x equals 38 indicate good health. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. True or false?
You just plug it into that formula,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. On the first one, it's good.
Huh?
It's good on the first one. It passes the first one.
It's 0.475.
It works.
The next one is 0.475.
Oh, okay.
Oh, number 12?
Yeah, it's 0.475. That's the one where you just divide x by n, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, so 11's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Find the test statistic for 13. They give us that formula.
Yeah, what was the formula for the test statistic? Oh, value minus the mean
Value minus mean, yeah. That's silly.
over standard deviation.
So,
Do we know the value?
Yeah, it's 0.475 minus 0.6.
my 0.6 here, right?
Yeah. 80 is the, yeah.
What about the standard deviation?
It's p times 1 minus p divided by n, the square root of that.
And it's 80.
0.475 is what we use for that p times 1 minus p, right?
Yeah. Wait, no. It's 0.6.
What did you get?
Negative 2.282.
Oh, kind of different.
Has anybody else gotten an answer yet?
I'm almost there.
Do we put that z-score or that test statistic into the
Normal probability
yeah.
for 14? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, really? Is that how you find the value?
What do you got for the z value?
Negative 2.282. What did you get?
Not different, totally different.
I'm gonna look at it one time. For n, that's 80, right? Is that what you're using?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well, I did something wrong.
Let me try another one.
What the freak am I doing wrong? What did you get for the standard deviation?
I've gotten 3 different numbers, so I'm not sure.
0.054, 0.055. It's like it's a long decimal.
You got 0.004.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I can. I'm gonna try it again.
And PS 0.60, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'll write it down again.
So I got 0.05.
Well, I got 0.0547, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Which I guess would be 0.055, right?
Yeah.
So then 0.475 minus 0.6.
Yeah, that's on the top.
I got negative 2.272.
It's probably just because you rounded.
Oh my God.
This is like ridiculous.
Mine is not negative. 2.7386. I'm doing something wrong.
So you didn't round?
No, I just put it all in the calculator as is.
I'll try like that. All right, I'm just gonna, whatever, close enough. What is the p-value? Did anyone plug that in the probability applet?
Yeah, I got 0.011.
Which section did you highlight?
All the way to the left.
Oh, you only highlight one side, not both.
Yeah, because for this one it's one-tailed.
Oh,
It's the left one, right?
Uh-huh.
We're rejecting it, right?
Yeah.
So,
So-
the second one.
For number 16, is that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality in the area has decreased, or there is insufficient evidence to conclude that it has not?
Mm. Are we going off the p-value?
Yeah.
Well, it's not at what they wanted it to be. Are they saying that it decreased?
Yeah. And the p-value supports that it decreased.
We can try the first one. There's sufficient evidence to conclude that the water quality area has decreased.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go through them real quick. And number 3 is the last one. Number 4 is true. Number 5 is true. Number 6 is 0.75. Number 7 is the second one. Number 8 is decrease.
Wait.
Number 9
0.75. Okay. Number 9.
is 20. Number 10, 100. Number 11 is true. Number 12 is 0.475. Number 13 is negative 2.282. Number 14 is 0.011. 15 is reject, and 16 is the first one.
Okay.
I'll go. Okay. 100%.
Woo!
Okay, while we're here, we're going to talk about our project really quickly.
Okay.
We have to decide what kind of sample do we want to do.
Kind of what?
What kind of sample do we want to do? Like a simple random sample, whatever those other samples are. It's the only one I can come up with off the top of my head.
Mm,
Oh, also, I signed your guys' names that you won't work on this project until we get approval. Do I have your
Yeah.
guys' permission to do that?
Yeah.
You know. All right. So, Grayson,
Yeah.
we are trying to see which paper towels are we doing it stronger, or are we that they're equal in strength? I might have just messed this up. Brownie paper towels. This has to be is the generic brand
Equal.
Great Value equal to in strength to Bounty?
yeah.
Yeah. I think equal.
All right, and then can you guys start? I put down simple random sample, but do you guys want to start talking about which kind of sample?
Let me see. Do you remember which word?
I feel like it's not simple random sample though, because we like chose 2 brands.
Okay.
Would that be cluster sample?
What?
Medicine.
Would that be cluster? Or we could do like systematic, like I have no idea.
What is systematic? Does somebody want to read off the definitions if they can
I'm
find
trying
it?
to find where all the.
Systematic is where you pick like the 10th one in like a list or something, like every 10th number. Or
Like we will pick every 10th, for example, every 10 piece of paper towel.
Yeah,
Something-
or like every third one or something, like every third brand. Like on the shelf, that would be
So
like,
that's systematic.
yeah. Or,
Well,
Yeah.
that works because I figure that systematic. I mean, we don't want to buy like a lot. We each gonna have to conduct the same test, but
yeah.
if we just, I don't know, every what number? 3, 4, 5?
I don't even know how many brands there are.
Well, we're just doing Bounty and Great Value. So when you go to Walmart or whatever place they have Great Value, find the 4th roll of Great Value and pick it, and then the 4th row of Bounty and pick it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that'll be systematic. How are we going to do this?
Mm,
Um, you guys all have a Walmart by you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Teresa, don't go to my same Walmart. I'm going to the one on Greenfield and Baseline.
Oh, it's okay. I go to the one on Mesa Riverview.
Throw it. We'll go to different Walmart area. Select. What number? 4th?
Sure.
Paper towel, right?
Whatever. I was like, that doesn't look right. My English is not working very well. Paper towels for what words am I looking for? Paper towels. Paper towels from each brand? From each. Okay, and then how are we going to do it? I mean, are we just going to like pour some water on it? Are we going to clean up some messes?
No, won't we need to like? We should use the same amount of liquid each time we pick up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much?
So
So we
should-
want to see how many. We want to see how often we can use them also before they fall apart and stuff. So we can. How much liquid should we pour on like a surface and then wipe it up?
Yeah, so it has to be the same.
Maybe like a tablespoon.
Tablespoon. It'll pick up more than a tablespoon of water.
A quarter of a cup, it's a lot. An
Quarter
eighth
of
of
a
a cup.
Let's go with that. Clean it up and then repeat until the paper towel rips. Is that good?
Yeah.
Pour is P-O-U-R, isn't it?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And surface as S-U-R-F-A-C-E.
Thank you, guys. What do you think the sampling method described in the questions in steps 4 and 5 will give an accurate representation of your population?
What do you think is something?
Why do we think it will give, for number 4, why do you think that the sampling method described in questions steps 4 will give an accurate representation of your population? Well,
It eliminates bias
It's fine.
or reduces bias.
reduces bias, and what else does systematic sampling help us out with?
I can find it. In which unit, in which lesson are we? Oh, here.
I'm gonna look up on my phone.
In the text, the group chat.
2000 accounts for the auditors. Okay. Well, is that good then? It reduces bias?
Yeah. Just leave it at that.
Okay. Alright. Well then, I'll turn this in. Alright. I guess I'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Katie,
Yeah.
my last name is T as in Thomas, the first one. Instead of P, it's T. I just noticed it. Sorry. Did you already submit it?
No, I didn't submit it.
Okay. My friends used to call me that in high school, but it's not the way you wrote it.
Well, I'm not a very good Mexican, so. Alright, okay. See you guys on
Alright.
Tuesday.
Goodbye.
Bye.